Ooh, getting the close up. What's up, dog? And we went for a lunch drive and we're like, hey, we should try to check out this spot and maybe fly it. So I've parked here before and hung out for motorcycle breaks, and I've always thought it'd be a cool spot to fly a pack or two. So I'm gonna do it. I brought my copter. I'm gonna fly it. It's gonna be awesome. That monitor that hooks onto that. Uh-oh.
That's a good start. That's a good start when the antenna's rubbing immediately.
Immediately. You got a loose prop, bro.
Oh, bro.
You're not even tight.
All four of the props are loose. So pro. I got 4 loose props.
Hey, Charlie, have you ever coptered before?
This is my first day.
Oh, is your first day coptering?
This is my first day. At least I didn't try to punch out. That would have been awesome. 2 of them would have tightened on.
It just falls apart.
2 of them would have tightened on. 2 of them would have shut off. Noob. What a noob.
of us know how to land, Diego.
Yeah, eat a penis head. Eat a penis head, he says.
It's nice to fly somewhere besides the swamp spot, that's for sure. Even though I didn't do anything except donuts in the sky.
Tree donuts. Sky donuts.
Donuts in the sky. Success. So now we're at spot number 2, which is at the end of the road that we were just at. It's like, whatever, 5 minutes down, but it's right on the coast at PCH. And there's this cool little lookout that's right here, and this little ridge line that kind of runs. You can't really see it from here over there. Diego's gonna give her a shot. He's long range, you know, he does this stuff all the time. He's used to flying next to the ocean. Just not in such frigid conditions, right, buddy? He's cold. Why? Does he think I'm famous?
Well, you know, kids, anytime they see somebody on Instagram, they're like, they're famous. Or YouTube, you know, if you got a YouTube channel or...
So I got my sweet, I brought an analog monitor along so I can try to enjoy the long range in this. I have never long ranged, so I'm a little excited. We did this about a year ago, and Diego lost the copter into this very ocean. I didn't tell him yet, but I think the spot is like right over there where it actually happened. But look at that. Not bad views. This is like, I don't know, half hour, maybe 45 minutes, depending on if you're on a mini moto or if you're driving the Cube to get out here from the nerdery compound. So not a bad spot to go have lunch at. Looks like he's ready to go. There he goes. I'm gonna watch on this monitor. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really hard to make a monitor show up in the daylight. Grass landing. That's how you keep your motors clean. You land in the grass. Yee! Across the street, because he did this run kind of above the roadway right there. It's like, oh, I didn't notice the little wires up there. I only saw the big one. You can't even see them, but just above that big black wire, there's 3 ghost wires. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go try to fly on the coast for the first time. Uh-oh, Raggy. This is the first time. These things don't stay on your head correctly. Say what? These things don't stay on your head correctly. Crazy.
There's a guy on that cliff right there.
Just saw him. I was like, hey, you should probably stay away from that man. Good times. I got it back in one piece. I got to fly over the water. I saw some rocks. It was a good time.
Goose it! Goose it, you goofball!
That's the cool part about a ground. You do all that wide open the whole time. I think technically this is illegal. We don't care. We're badasses. It's not illegal. It's just a parking lot. And there's nobody around. So that makes it less illegal if there's nobody around. That's not true. Diego said he's going full cinematic, which is less camera tilt. This way you cruise nice and easy. Look at how cool that looks on top of the cube. Oh, watch out, truck. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh my god, that
He's just flying like, whatever, 30 feet away from us like it's nothing. Always lick your lens for luck.
nutrients.
And to get that fresh, look at him, here it comes.
Ooh, getting the close-up.
What's up, dog? Diego told me that vultures' heads are bald and red because they eat their dead animals through their butts.
They lose all their feathers because of it.
Yeah, fun fact, kids. We hit another spot real quick. Diego flew a pack. I decided not to because I think I've had my fill of ocean flying. Like, it's very nerve-wracking. It makes me want to land. Like, I'm like, oh, over the water, come back. But this is the spot we were thinking about flying. But if you look right on the ridge line right there, there's a white vehicle, and that's a ranger from the parks department. And I think Diego got us in trouble because he said, you know, we can fly at all the parks that we want today. We won't get in trouble at all.
I didn't say that. Someone was like, let's go fly at the beach. I'm like, I'm down.
I'm just kidding. He didn't say any of that. We're just waiting patiently for this ranger to leave in the hopes that they're not here to scare us away.
I think somebody called him in.
I would imagine so. Probably that.
There's this guy in an orange jacket. Look out for him. He's droning.
He's droning. They're a bunch of droners. We're gonna give it a few more minutes, make them earn their scare away.
Yeah.
We're in no rush. And it's super nice out.
Yeah, there's nothing to run from.
The sun came out all the way. It's been warm. There's a kid
Warmed up.
Yes. Diego stopped complaining it's cold for like, he hasn't mentioned the temperature in like at least 5 or 10 minutes, so that's a good sign. It doesn't look like the ranger.
You know, we're like in a state park. You know, this probably ain't the best idea, but we're doing it.
I was joking that these parking lots are state parks, technically speaking, and like you can't fly in state parks. It's just it's a California thing.
Yeah, well, it's a California knowledge thing to me coming from Oregon. So now,
I've always known
now
this.
We've got the ranger on our radar.
Very rarely is it a problem.
Yeah, but now we got the radar of the local ranger.
So probably what happened is because we flew at one and then we pulled over and flew at another one.
At 2 spots now
that were both parking lots.
Yeah.
You know, that were just empty. Either in passing they saw what we were doing, or one of the houses that lives behind there ratted us out and said, hey, there's these dudes flying drones. Because it's a couple things. I've been told by the rangers, the raptors, the birds of prey.
Yeah.
Because they're real likely to come get jacked up and you interrupt their migrating, and it's a migration season right now, so they're going up and down the coast. They'll jack one up and screw up the whole ecosystem.
Yeah, well,
either way, this ranger is not leaving.
Local guy should have told me this information.
Well, it's usually not. I was breaking the law also. It's not like I was just having him break the law only.
Yeah.
We were both equally breaking the law. Because the last time that I flew, it's a California state park just where we were sitting. I wasn't flying in the park at all. It's like you can't because it's airspace.
It's all good. You know, last time I flew out here when we found a nice epic spot, it didn't turn out so well. So maybe, you know, it's
just, and the last time you came out, this is the same way we did it. We pulled over in all these parking lots like this.
Yeah.
Anyway.
At least the FPV guys are giving us fair warning.
Yeah, we got our copters back.
So we're good.
And well,
this would be the spot to get it though.
Yeah, that's the worst part is that as we drove up along the coast,
There's more.
I just
spots
stopped,
like this.
and Diego was like, "Yeah, whatever. This is good, bad, whatever." And then we came around the corner. He's like, "Oh, this is the spot right here." And then he's like, "We got to go past it." He had it all eyeballed out with how he wanted to lay it out. And then like we pull in, we park, and the Ranger pulls in behind us and has been posted up in a no parking area, looking at us for a solid 15
minutes.
So
wasn't budging. So
we're gonna roll on, and then we're gonna see if they follow us to the next one and try again.
I think our best bet. Which way are we going? North or south?
Which way do you want to go?
I don't know. I think
we're going north. Is the plan.
All right. Well, as well.
I think eventually there's a couple of these things that aren't state parks and they can't harass us.
Okay.
So we decided to not push our luck, and we went back to the nerd compound. We're gonna go get a sandwich and think about our life choices.